Adele here, and welcome to day 20 of the 30-day business challenge. Please excuse the noise in the background. Cicadas, crickets, I don't know. I just know that we're heading into spring soon, so they out here. So if you hear that noise in the background, I do apologize. Today we are going to be going over VidIQ. This is an extension of the YouTube portion of this 30-day challenge. For people who want to get more views and more subscribers, this is a tool. There is a free option to this tool and a paid option to this tool. Okay. With this free option, the tools are definitely limited, but once you utilize it enough or you feel that the value is worth it, I would highly suggest that you do the paid option. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Give me 1 second while I do that. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so within your back end of VidIQ, you will, when you log in, you will connect this to your YouTube channel, and in the back end, they will show you how many views you recently had, how many subscribers if you lost a subscriber, how much watch time you have, and what's the retention rate of your video. So how long those individuals are staying on your channel or on your video in order for you to meet the monetization. Okay. So there's two options. You can get monetized for shorts and reels, or you can get monetized for the standard YouTube, which is 4,000 subscribers, or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or for the I think for the shorts it's like 500 subscribers and another time, but another amount. But I will put that down because what we're not going to really focus on too much is shorts. Shorts are cool, but for people who are business owners, if your content is not geared around short type of content, you definitely want to focus on long form content. And that's videos that are over 10 to 20 minutes or within 10 to 20 minutes. From time to time, you definitely want to make sure that you're doing lives often. That will also help with your watch time as well as getting your subscribers up, okay? Because when you do go live, more people have the opportunity to be reached because you are live. So, all right. So daily tasks, you can actually, that gives you daily tasks. So you can choose a topic or look at topics that they offer you. They can actually base your topics off of your content that you currently have. They can give you daily ideas. Okay, within the free option, they also have a growth plan where you can go through and do like a mini course that will help you as well. You can also set goals for how many subscribers you want to hit by a certain time frame. And each day they give you up to 3 video ideas. So if you cannot come up with your own, I would highly suggest that you don't fully and wholeheartedly rely on this. I'm also going to show you how or where you can go to add the VidIQ plugin for your laptop or computer. This will also help you. It also helps you to do research, okay? It also gives you 3 credits a month or every so many days to where it gives you title recommendations. So you can put keywords of what you're trying to talk about, or if you have your full topic, you can put that in there and then it will respin it for you. You can also do a keyword search and it tells you with these keywords the search volume. So how many people are looking for that particular topic, okay? And then at the bottom, it tells you which one of your videos are actually doing better, or the best, or which topic most people, gravitated to, okay? So I'm just going to quickly go through this, the ideation, so you can get some ideas tailored to your channel. I definitely want you to go through this option. They do have the option for a one-on-one coach. That's probably going to be a little bit more pricey. We're going to go over the prices as well. Then it's AI content generator for YouTube. You can create a video about, so it literally can help you with the title or what topic you need, okay? And how we just talked about the keywords, these just have a more detailed view of keywords, what's being currently looked at, search for. So for instance, Monkey Man trailer, which is a video that's a movie that's about to come out soon. It's telling you that these people are searching for this. Okay. You can also, what I like about VidIQ is you can actually look up your competitors. Okay. I just kind of gave like an idea of someone I've looked at. You can look up to 5 similar channels that are similar to yours. You can see what they're doing differently. Kind of, it gives you the secret sauce to making your YouTube channel a lot better. Okay. All right. Subscribers. I'm not going to go through that, but definitely it gives you lots of tutorials. This one is to analyze what your subscribers are watching. I do like VidIQ because they are for the YouTuber, right? And they want to help you get to 500,000, 100,000, 10,000, 20,000, whatever your goal is for YouTube, they can help you with that, okay? SEO, once again, they will say how to get more views on your older videos. This is also a good SEO tutorial. I will tell you, as you are getting more versed and you are learning YouTube a lot better, definitely take the time to go back to your older videos, okay? Change your keywords, change your title. So right now, a lot of my videos are not getting the views that they could get, only because I'm doing this 30-day challenge. Once the 30-day challenge is over, I am going to go back through all my videos and I'm going to do the bulk SEO option for my videos so that they can rank better and they can get in front of more eyes. I just wanted to make sure I tailored this to the people who actually needed this. And if it's for you, technically it's for you. If you're seeing my videos, it's because you need to see my videos. No other reason. Because I know how to rank and I know how to get my videos in front of people and in front of eyeballs. So please definitely check your go back, check your SEO, make sure you're doing your keywords. Right now, my goal for you is to just make sure that you're putting out the content, that you're putting yourself out there, that you're advertising your products, that you're also having the extra streams of income so that you can get the affiliate commission. Because once again, you are a walking, talking brand. Everything that you do going forward, you want to make sure that there's an opportunity to monetize on it, because these videos will be up for a long time, as long as YouTube is around, right? And this could possibly be even another stream of income for you for your next generation. We also are going to talk about that a little bit, not today. I'm going to make a separate video about that, because that's one thing that I see that a lot of people do not think about. Okay, on the back end, what happens if you no longer want to do this channel, but this channel is still making money? You get what I mean? We're going to talk about that small piece that no one really talks about. Events. All right. They have live events all the time. They have events scheduled out. Even older events that they did, they talk with people who are popular within the YouTube space. And And then, of course, definitely learning new skills. Look, auditing gaming channels. So if you're in the gaming space, turn your small YouTube channel into a business. So it's talking about how you can take your small channel and still monetize, like how we're doing with this, okay? And once again, you can go in here and ask questions. Based on my channel, what ideas do you have for me? How do I get more views? Can you audit my channel? The AI bot can audit your channel and tell you what it is that your channel is missing, what you need to add, subtract, or multiply. Okay. And then we're going to quickly go over pricing. Just know that as you are doing this and as you're getting more comfortable, and just keep all your business stuff together. This is an investment. This is also a write-off. Okay. Just please definitely talk to your tax professional, your accountant, your business advisor, whoever you have. Okay. Just know the basic package that you technically need to take advantage of everything is $49. That includes one channel. Okay. You could just add the $10 a month for right now. You get a few more features. The keyword research and discovery tool alone is definitely worth the $10, but you definitely want to get to a point where you do the boost. Okay. It's worth it. Now, let's talk about this plugin. Okay. You are going to search VidIQ plugin. Okay. Make sure it says VidIQ's extension for YouTube, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Okay. You're going to click that. This allows you to install this little blue button here. Okay. And as y'all have been seeing in my videos, when I go onto YouTube, let me show you really quick. Okay. I'm just going to pick a random person's video. Let's see. Let's look up stocks. Okay. Now, there we go. Now it's popping up. You got to give it a second. It tells you how many views this person is getting per hour. Okay. And it's giving you the score. If it's outperforming the channel's average, this video is getting 360 views per hour. Okay. So look at this. This one's 136 views per hour. Okay. Learn if this is outperforming the channel's average. It's nice to see how good a video is doing. This really doesn't matter too much to us at this very moment, but if you like looking into that, or you want to, this tool is very good. So then it also shows your channel stuff, right? How many hours watched, how many views in the last 48 hours, how many views in the last 7 days, how many minutes watched, and then how many subscribers. Okay. So basically it shows you the analytics of your channel. I'm very transparent, so I don't mind you guys seeing my channel analytics. Okay. It is what it is. That's all a part of the process and all a part of growing. Okay. So it's showing you my performance over the last 7 days. Some people will explode. Some people will get the secret sauce. Some people, it'll take their channel a lot longer to get to a certain point. But I promise you, if you use VidIQ and you use all of the features within VidIQ, your channel will definitely perform a lot better. People do not take the time to do this step and to perfect this part of YouTube. I promise you, if you take the step, do the keyword research, look up the competitors that are in your niche, and actually use not even just trending, but use topics that people are actually looking for, searching for. You'll do you'll do great. You'll do amazing. Okay. So that is VidIQ. I wanted to just give you that. Oh, one more thing. An alternative to VidIQ, if this is too expensive of an option, I will say TubeBuddy is the second alternative. Okay. It does the same thing, but the pricing I know for this one, let me show you. Sorry, just gonna be for this one is cheaper. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Definitely start with this if you're not able to afford the VidIQ option, and you pretty much get the same features. There's probably there's a difference in the two in regards to what they offer, but it does the same thing. Okay. But once you get to that level, definitely switch over to VidIQ. But TubeBuddy is good. That's what I actually use in the beginning. They also have a free option as well. All right. And they also have an extension that you can use to view your competition. So this has been Adele with day 20 of the 30-day business challenge. Have a wonderful day. Bye.